Have you ever found yourself trapped in a cycle of doubt, replaying past mistakes in your mind, and wondering if you'll ever be able to move forward? Many of us have experienced those moments where self-doubt takes over, convincing us that we are not capable of achieving our goals, or that our past failures define who we are today. It's a heavy burden to carry, and it often keeps people from even trying to take the first step toward the life they truly want. But the truth is, your past does not determine your future, and every single day presents an opportunity to start over. Inspired by the timeless wisdom of Dr. Joseph Murphy, this video is designed to guide you through a practical and empowering process to reset your confidence and rebuild your belief in yourself. Dr. Murphy's teachings emphasize the incredible power of the subconscious mind, showing us that we can retrain our thoughts, reshape our mindset, and replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. The first step in this journey is recognizing that your negative thoughts and past experiences are not permanent. They are patterns that can be consciously changed. By acknowledging this, you give yourself permission to release the weight of self-criticism, guilt, and fear that may have been holding you back for years. It's about creating a mental clean slate, one where mistakes are seen not as failures, but as lessons that contribute to your growth and resilience. The exercises presented here are simple yet profound, guiding you to focus your attention on positive affirmations, visualization techniques, and mindful reflection. Each exercise is designed to gradually reprogram your mind, replacing self-doubt with self-confidence and fear with determination. As you practice these steps, you'll begin to notice a shift in the way you perceive yourself and your capabilities. You'll find that opportunities you previously overlooked now appear within reach, and challenges no longer feel insurmountable. Dr. Joseph Murphy often emphasized that belief is the key to transformation, and by intentionally nurturing thoughts of self-worth, competence, and possibility, you create a foundation upon which success can flourish. It is not an overnight process, but with consistent effort, you will feel a renewed sense of clarity and purpose. You will start to see that a fresh start is not just an idea. It is a tangible reality that begins in your mind. By letting go of what no longer serves you, you open the door to new experiences, achievements, and personal growth. The confidence reset is not about ignoring the past, but about reframing it, learning from it, and moving forward with intention. Every person has the capacity to reinvent themselves, and every setback is an opportunity to build resilience and strength. In this video, you are invited to take that first courageous step to embrace the process of change and to trust in your own ability to create a life filled with confidence, purpose, and fulfillment. Once you have acknowledged that your past does not define you, the next step is learning how to actively replace self-doubt with positive, empowering beliefs. This is where the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy become especially valuable. He emphasized that our subconscious mind is incredibly receptive, absorbing whatever thoughts we repeatedly focus on, whether they are positive or negative. If you allow fear, regret, or insecurity to dominate your thinking, your subconscious mind reinforces those limiting patterns, making it harder to move forward. But the remarkable thing is that you have the power to redirect that same mental energy toward confidence, self-assurance, and personal growth. By intentionally practicing specific exercises and affirmations, you can train your mind to focus on what you want to create, rather than what you fear or regret. One simple but highly effective method is to use daily affirmations that reinforce your worth and potential. For example, telling yourself, "I am capable, I am resilient, I am worthy of success," may feel awkward at first, but over time, these statements begin to influence your subconscious and reshape the way you think about yourself. Visualization is another critical tool. Imagine yourself succeeding. Imagine the person you want to become, and see yourself living with confidence and clarity. When your mind consistently focuses on positive outcomes, you start to act in ways that make those outcomes more likely to happen. It is a process of conscious creation, where your thoughts directly shape your reality. Dr. Joseph Murphy often highlighted that the mind does not differentiate between what is imagined and what is real. What it believes, it will bring into existence. This means that by deliberately filling your mind with thoughts of possibility, you are planting seeds for real, tangible change. Another important element of this process is self-forgiveness. Many people carry heavy burdens of guilt or shame from past mistakes, and these feelings can prevent them from moving forward. Letting go of these emotions is not about denying the past, but about choosing to release the grip it has on your present and future. When you forgive yourself, you create space for growth, creativity, and new opportunities. Mindful reflection is a helpful practice here. Take a few moments each day to acknowledge past challenges, recognize the lessons they provided, and then consciously set them aside. This daily habit gradually rewires your thinking, making room for renewed confidence and self-belief. The beauty of this journey is that it is deeply personal and entirely within your control. You are not waiting for circumstances or other people to change. You are actively shaping your own mindset, and that is where true empowerment begins. Each step, each affirmation, and each visualization session is a building block in creating a stronger, more confident you. Over time, you'll notice subtle but powerful shifts in your daily life. A greater willingness to take risks, a calmer approach to challenges, and a growing sense of trust in your own abilities. The confidence reset is not a one-time event. It is an ongoing commitment to yourself and your potential, and by consistently nurturing your mind in this way, you align yourself with the success, growth, and fulfillment you deserve. Now that you have begun the process of reshaping your thoughts and letting go of the past, the next vital step is learning how to take practical action to reinforce your newfound confidence. Mindset alone is powerful, but pairing it with intentional daily practices creates lasting change. Inspired by the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, one of the most effective strategies is to create a consistent routine that bridges the gap between thought and action. Start each day with a short period of reflection, focusing on affirmations and visualizations that reinforce the person you want to become. Take a moment to picture yourself handling challenges with calmness, speaking with clarity and confidence, and stepping into opportunities without hesitation. By consistently feeding your subconscious mind with these images and beliefs, you gradually train yourself to respond to real-life situations with the same level of confidence you practice in your mind. Another critical practice is journaling. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and goals helps clarify what might be holding you back, and it allows you to track the progress of your inner transformation. When you journal, try to focus not just on your challenges, but also on your strengths, victories, and the small steps you take each day toward becoming your best self. Celebrating these small wins reinforces a sense of self-worth and creates momentum that propels you forward. Dr. Joseph Murphy emphasized that repetition and consistency are key. The more regularly you engage in these practices, the stronger the impact on your subconscious mind. Beyond personal reflection, taking real-world steps to act on your confidence is equally important. Start with small, achievable goals that push you slightly outside of your comfort zone. Each success, no matter how minor it seems, reinforces your belief in your capabilities. For instance, speaking up in a meeting, sharing an idea with someone new, or tackling a task you previously avoided can become a powerful statement to your subconscious that you are competent and capable. Over time, these actions build a foundation of self-trust that transforms doubt into assurance. Another crucial element is surrounding yourself with positivity. Engage with people, resources, and experiences that uplift and inspire you. Avoid prolonged exposure to negativity, whether it comes from certain media, environments, or relationships, because negative input can counteract your efforts. Instead, immerse yourself in encouraging messages, like the timeless lessons of Dr. Joseph Murphy, books, videos, or communities that support growth, mindfulness, and self-improvement. Remember, rebuilding confidence is a journey, not a destination. There will be moments of setback or self-doubt, and that is perfectly normal. The key is to approach these moments with curiosity rather than criticism, to ask yourself what lesson they offer, and to return to your affirmations and practices with renewed commitment. Each time you choose to rise above fear, take inspired action, or reaffirm your self-belief, you are literally rewriting the story of who you are. The confidence reset is ultimately about reclaiming your personal power, and by combining mindset, reflection, action, and supportive influences, you lay the groundwork for lasting change, resilience, and a life defined not by doubt, but by empowered belief in yourself.